Do you also want to buy a powerful smartphone, iPhone at a cheap price? So there is good news for you. Mark Gurman has told in his recent report that Apple is going to introduce iPhone SE 4. This new model of Apple will replace the existing iPhone SE 2022. That means new SE devices are coming after about 3 years. According to leaks, Apple is going to launch this phone in a few days. This smartphone is going to be launched at an affordable price, with powerful features. Before the launch, all the details of this phone are being leaked. And in the latest leak, the dummy of the smartphone has also been revealed. Sunny Dixon has shared its photo on social media platforms. In the photo shared on X, black and white color options are visible, which follows Apple's design philosophy. It is also being said that this smartphone is going to be a cheap version of iPhone 16. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of iPhone SE 4. According to the tipster, the iPhone SE 4 phone are going to have aluminum body. Talking about the display size, it has a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus LTPS OLED display, whose refresh rate is 60 Hz. And Face ID support is also provided in this smartphone. However, a ceramic shield has been provided to protect the display, with IP68 rating. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you are going to get a single camera setup in its rear. Its camera is going to be better than the previous SE phones. In this you will be given a great camera of 48 megapixels. And a 12 megapixel camera is going to be seen in its front. Processor. Like iPhone 16, this new Apple smartphone will be equipped with A18 Bionic chipset. Next generation iPhone SE 4 phones can be launched with iPad 11, iOS 18.3, and iPadOS 18.3 software updates. Battery backup. Talking about battery backup, a powerful battery of 3279 mAh has been installed in it, which supports USB Type-C charging socket, with 20-watt fast wired charger. Price or launch date. Talking about its price, there is a possibility that it may be less than $500. And if we talk about the launch date, it will be introduced in April.